to me. You see, guys?
Let me spray.
Guys, this is purple, my mom's favorite color.
What's your favorite color?
Pink.
How many do you want?
I think I need 6 or 5 or something. Because let's see. Oh, I have 2.
Look at these beautiful colors.
So this is a colorful one. Can you see me, guys?
Yes, they can see you.
Okay. One is blue. One is purple. One is colorful.
So these days we are trying out different hairstyles for Anjali, and I love experimenting this, and Anjali is also loving this whole process. So I highly recommend, if you have kids who have longer hair to work on, don't try to follow any kind of YouTube video or tutorials for hair. Just experiment and try, and who knows, you might invent a new hairstyle that you and your kid love. Wow. Did you enjoy it, Anjali? Now it's mommy's turn to get ready. Mom, like, it's been a while. Okay, finally hubby gifted me this selection. And I haven't even used one of it. So for today, this one. Okay, so that is the final shade, guys. And why am I doing all this? It's just because I want to feel good. When the bed is made and when I kind of get ready, I feel so good. That's one of the most beautiful feelings I can have right now. And for me, another thing is, I like to plan different things. I like to look forward to some event that's going to come up, and I like the whole process of planning for that event. And my husband, on the other hand, is kind of on the spot, go-getter, sort of like when something comes up, he likes to think about it. No stress about planning. So in that regard, we are kind of opposites. And one thing that I have been missing a lot during this whole period of time is that anticipation and that thing that you can look forward to when things are so similar every day. So that is definitely something that I want to work on, and that's why I always think about what change can I do today. It's very, very difficult, but I think we have to figure out different things. Some small things that you can do different, or some things that you can start, for example a blog or a video. What are you guys doing? Do let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know about that. Let's get going with the day. Can you tell me, what are you looking forward to today?
I'm looking forward about my mom.
You're looking forward to your mom?
Yeah.
What else are you looking forward to? What else do you want to do today?
Play with my brother.
That's entirely possible.
Yeah, we actually do a 2-minute timer and a 5-minute timer before I'm sleeping.
Yeah.
And we are playing that time.
What do you like to play with your brother?
I like to play with the gate game, and we sit in the gate and then we wiggle the gate slowly, and then when which person falls down, they lose the game.
Okay.
But there's a lot of tries for it.
A lot of tries for it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah, but if you fall down, it doesn't mean you now win or lose. But if somebody stays there and you fall down, you don't get a present or something.
Oh, otherwise you get a present?
No, they don't get any presents.
Okay, that's your little game with your brother?
Yeah, we do a lot of games.
This one is your favorite?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a lot of games of it. There's a lot of versions of it.
Okay.
Like there's 2 versions. We are playing 1 version.
1 version?
Yeah.
Or there are other versions to this game?
Yes, there's a lot of versions. There's 2 versions, there's 5 versions, there's 6 versions and stuff. All the numbers, so I just play 1 version.
Ready?
Steady. Go!
Woo!
Yes! You want to do it? Yes, it was fun!
Okay, now I'm getting ready to give my test, my 3rd test of my health coaching program, and I'm really excited for you guys, some of you who enroll into this course. When is this course starting for you? Because I think they have a 6-month program as well as a 1-year course. If you want it fast-paced, they do it for 6 months, and the same course can be taken as a 1-year program too. So I'm really excited for you guys who have enrolled in it, and I'm so looking forward for getting the certification, and then I have some exciting plans coming up. So this is my 3rd test which I need to give in, and then we have a lot of coaching calls and client calls for practice. So yeah, a month more to go for all of this to be done. So right now we are looking into something special.
Yep.
Your first garden. We are looking actually on Love's website. Yeah. So there are 3 questions that you have to answer if you want to decide what you want to plant. So the first question is, what do I like to eat?
Noodles.
How cold does it get where you live?
Colder than -268 degrees Fahrenheit.
How soon do I want to harvest?
Sooner than a plane gets to London from America.
Okay, so you want to plant noodles,
Yep.
noodle seeds,
I don't know where we'll get that.
and then you want to make sure that the noodles will survive the cold that you mentioned,
Yeah.
and you will want to harvest it the next day.
Yeah.
Super. Okay, so the next stage is planning. Start with a manageable size. Okay, we don't want to go for these beds, we'll just go for pots. The next one is to find a sunny spot. Okay, most vegetables need 6 to 8 hours of sunlight a day.
What if it gets too much sunlight?
What?
What if it gets too much sunlight?
The leaves will burn.
So should we put sunscreen on it?
Next one, ask your neighbors what the worst pests are in your area.
I don't know.
I know. I saw a rat.
Oh.
And rat is a pest.
Rat is not a pest.
Yes, rat is a pest.
Rat is a rodent, not a pest. Pests of trees and everything.
Do we Google it?
No, I'll ask Alexa. Oh no, Siri. Siri, is rat a pest?
Interesting question.
No, it's... Is rat a pest?
I didn't catch that.
Is rat a pest?
According to thespruce.com, rats and mice are year-round pests that can be difficult to control.
They're year-round pests.
Your own pet, sir.
No, year-round pests.
Not pet. So adding composted material will help soil hold moisture and oxygen. You know that the plants need moisture, right?
We can put moisturizing cream.
You are the funniest, Adi.
It doesn't look so nice this afternoon. Down to 70 degrees with thunderstorms.
Thunderstorms.
So because the weather is not looking that great, we decided not to go outside, and we are just getting started with making a soup. So I got this recipe online and I am excited to try this for the first time. It is broccoli cheddar soup. Let's begin. Making the soup is very simple. Just saute the chopped up onions, chopped up garlic, chopped jalapeno pepper, and about 2 cups of steamed broccoli florets here. Salt, cumin powder, and some pepper. I'm taking about 2 to 3 cups of vegetable broth, and after adding that in, we'll scoop out a part of the solid mixture along with the few florets, and then we'll grind it in the blender jar along with some soaked cashews and some nutritional yeast. Once blended, we'll pour it back into the soup, and since kids wanted some french fries, made that and then settle down to play a few games with them. So the challenge from the brain quest is a good one to spend some time with kids.
On a unicycle.
Oh, one!
Yes, you are right. Now Anjali.
Anjali, what do you see? What do you see under this boat?
Water.
You don't see anything else under the boat?
A fish.
Okay. Which bird is orange with a yellow beak? Okay. What is Molly doing?
Molly putting her shoes on.
My book has 25 pages.
Okay.
I have read 20 pages.
Good.
How many pages are left?
5.
Good. Correct. Which directions are opposite of each other? North and south or north and east?
North and south.
Correct. How are words listed in a dictionary?
From A in alphabetical order.
Good.
Good job! Ooh.
What is Molly flying? We are spending the rest of the evening like this, and I'm glad you joined me until the end of this day. See you all next time. Take care and bye-bye.